I'll be showing you the top must-have print-on-demand Shopify apps. For each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at their features, pricing, and reviews so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. The first one we'll take a look at is called Printful. It's been around since 2013, and it's going to let you create and sell custom products with print-on-demand dropshipping. They have in-house and partner facilities all around the world, and they have tons of products you can sell. They have tools to make it easy as well with design tools and mockups, so you can create stunning designs in minutes with their design maker. You can play around with clip art, fonts, as well as colors and patterns. They also have different options for fulfillment, from direct-to-garment printing, embroidery, and they also have unique all-over prints. And you can also add custom branding as well. By having it on the labels, you can also put your brand logo on your merch or personalize your customer's unboxing experience with packing slips, pack-ins, and custom packaging. In terms of pricing, it's free to install, and Printful is only going to charge users for order fulfillment and shipping when a product is sold in their store. They also have a growth plan at $25 a month. We get up to 30% off all products. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a really good 4.7 stars with over 4,000 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the AI summary, merchants appreciate this app for its consistent quality, flexibility, and superior value. It's super easy to design uploads, do product customization, and the online store integration is really good. Our next app here is called ShineOn. So you can sell viral, high-margin, personalized print-on-demand products with unlimited profit potential. So you can launch proven viral products, so you can maximize your chance to go viral. And each item in ShineOn's inventory passes a rigorous selection process to ensure market fit and demand. They have super fast shipping from their USA and EU fulfillment center, and it's going to deliver within 2 to 7 business days anywhere within the continental US or Europe. It's going to make it super easy to generate stunning mockups, and these products are going to have high profit margins. And for the print-on-demand section, we can see they can do custom necklaces, different engraved watches, as well as acrylic signs, and I'm sure they have more products than that on their app. In terms of pricing, it's free to install, and product and shipping costs are only billed when sale is made in your store. And there's also different plan options. We're going to get different discounts as well as faster shipping. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.7 stars with 1.1 thousand 5-star reviews. As for the AI summary, merchants appreciate this app for its user-friendly interface and seamless integration with Shopify. They commend the wide variety of high-quality print-on-demand products and the smooth process of creating and publishing them. Next up, we have Printify, so you can create and sell custom products around the world. So you as a merchant are going to design and sell, and Printify is going to print, pack, and ship. So you can choose from the world's top print providers, finding the right partner based on ratings, price, and delivery. You can get high-resolution mockups. You can also control your orders by seeing the fulfillment status of each order on their self-service orders page. It's going to make it super easy to design your products in their mockup generator, and they have an extensive product catalog from t-shirts, hoodies, and much more. In terms of pricing, it's free to install, and again, product and shipping costs are only billed when a sale is made in your store. 5 online stores, and it moves to $29 a month. When you have 10 stores, but you're also going to get things such as up to a 20% discount on all products. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with over 4,000 5-star reviews. And according to the AI summary, this print-on-demand platform is appreciated for its user-friendly interface, wide range of customizable products, and seamless integration with e-commerce platforms. They highlight the consistent product quality, transparent pricing, efficient shipping, and reliable order fulfillment. Lastly, we have Gelato Print on Demand, so you can create and sell custom print-on-demand products. It's going to make it easy with their mockup generator. You can access stock images as well, utilizing royalty-free photos and vectors from Getty Images and Shutterstock. You're also going to get product personalization, enabling your customers to effortlessly customize their designs to create one-of-a-kind products with their own personal touch. They have thousands of products such as greeting cards, t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more. Again, there's a free-to-install plan for where you pay what you print, and if you go for one of the paid plans, you're going to get discounts on the products, as well as a few more features. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with 400 plus 5-star reviews. And merchants appreciate this app for its user-friendly interface, efficient design process, and it's praised for its high-quality print-on-demand services. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations with tons of details and analytics, as well as metrics, so you can truly understand your store's performance, allowing you to make smarter business decisions. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok. There's a link in the description below. To access the Shopify app listing directly, you can also find it on the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left. There's a free 15-day trial, so you can also test drive everything for yourself. So this is going to conclude the video here on the must-have print-on-demand apps for your Shopify store. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.